Haven't made a video in a little while. Sorry. We're still thinking of kind of some. Sorry, hold on. Oh dear God. I just farted. Anywho, we kind of been. Oh dear God. So I'm kind of still going through puberty a little bit. So, yeah. So we've been thinking of some new ideas, and we saw this subscriber that really inspired us to do another sneezing video. So we decided this video for that subscriber, and we made it for you. Whatever your name is out there, tell your friends, whoever sees this video, and subscribe and like our videos. And we hope to finally someday maybe get a little bit of money out of it and have a lot of subscribers, okay? So I'm going to start sneezing now. Oh dear God, that freaking puberty. Oh fucking man. Okay, I think we're good. Thanks for your subscription. Please watch this video and subscribe as soon as possible. We're good.